Man, oh man. Reason why I'm saying this is because this was actually one of the first eyeliners I tried on that was actually waterproof, that stayed on, reasonable price, and that I fell in love with. But you know, sometimes you just want to explore other products. This is the Wet n Wild H2O Proof Eyeliner, and it is black. I think they got the what it is on here. Wait a minute. Adapt 879. Really? I don't know. But that is different though. I'm thinking like, okay, since it's like the 3 numbers, it could be in. But yeah, I like that's different. 8-7. Okay, anyway. But yeah, I absolutely love this eyeliner. For one, it is definitely waterproof. Let me tell you, the only way how I could get this stuff off of my eyes was from some Vaseline. I was not into the whole removal makeup thing with the wipes and all that. I was just like, I need something quick, especially when days that I went out wearing this stuff. And I was still trying to get adjusted to, you know, wearing makeup and eyeliner, stuff like that. But mostly I just, like I said before, I know, you know, big makeup person. Like, I'll slap on some eyeliner and some mascara and some lip gloss or lipstick and boom, I'm out the door. Maybe some eyeshadow, but it just depends on how I'm feeling. But I don't know, if I took the time to actually learn, I'd probably be a pretty talented makeup person. But anyway, yeah, this stuff would not come off. Like, it's waterproof, so why the heck would I have like water and try to rub it and make my eyes look even red? Like I had a cold or something, or my eye was irritated. But anyway, Vaseline was the only thing that pretty much took this stuff off my eyes, and it stays on though. I can say that, like, it stayed on for a very long time. The times where I was active with this stuff on, it did not move a muscle. I did put this on my top eyelid and the bottom, and it stayed. If anything, the bottom, it had some retouching to it, but I really didn't have to because you can still see it. But if you're like, you know, sitting up at a restaurant, or if you going to movies, or you ain't doing nothing active, where ain't no sun or none of that, you ain't got to worry. This is going to stay. It stayed anyway, and while you're active or in the hot sun too, but just the bottom lid may be, I don't know, not as dark as the top, but you can definitely tell you have this stuff on your eyes. Okay. So, I absolutely love this eyeliner. This eyeliner is definitely liquid, so I mean, yeah, you can definitely tell by the bottle from it. It's really easy to apply on. That's one of the main reasons why I absolutely love this eyeliner. This eyeliner does come in like different colors, but you know, I would just wanted the black one. I remember that it was a different name than this, and I was just like, where is the regular one? Like they had one that was like different, I believe, but I don't know. Don't give me a line. I don't know. I could have sworn it was something different from this, but no complaints. Okay, so these are the ingredients. Okay, and I will twist the top off. Trying to like not having to cut the video off and then restart it all over again, and put it down. Okay, so yeah, sometimes you might come across this. No, this is not my hair. This is just from, I guess, the brush from this eyeliner, but it easily applies, just like if you was, you know, putting it on a paper. And you definitely want to use small strokes from this. Definitely. If you in a rush, don't even do it. Don't even try unless you an expert and can do this. Like, it ain't nothing. Then by all means, you go ahead. You a champ. But if you like still starting to build up your makeup skills, you might just need to go ahead and just go all natural. But anyway, it's very easy to apply on. All you really need is just small strokes. Good enough product is on the eyeliner tip, the brush, so you may want to put the remaining product on the top, you know. And if you come across anything like this, like the little brush, you know, has a little twig or something at the top, normally I just take some tissue and I just wipe it off, and just the tip, not everything, and it works still perfectly well. This eyeliner has lasted me for a very long time, which is crazy, and I absolutely love it. Love the bottle, love it all. It's just adorable. But yes, I would definitely say this is one of the good things. If you're new to it, go ahead and try it out. But like I said before, make sure you do small strokes, because this is waterproof and it is hard coming out. Once it dries, it dry. On me it does. Okay, but again, this is the Wet n Wild H2O eyeliner. Oh, Lord. Eyeliner. And you can see right here, look at it. Not tested on animals. Yay. And it's black.